Hey, this is Matt, and today we're going to be talking about how to make a man chase you long term. This is an important topic. There's lots of advice out there on this, but I think you're going to find this video a little bit different. And so to help me kick off this video and to teach this video, I want to bring you someone who's got an expert advice in this and bring over Mark. Get over here, man. Get out of the fridge.
I'm hungry, bro.
Dude, I've already looked in there. There's nothing in there. Get over here. Hey. Let me bring you Mark Rosenfield. This man you probably already know. If you don't know this man, he has an amazing YouTube channel. Absolutely check it out. And today we're going to be talking about how to make a man chase you long term. Now, as Mark and I were masterminding this, we wanted to bring you something cutting edge that would absolutely make a difference in your love life. And the challenge is there's a lot of videos on YouTube about this and a lot of bad advice on this.
Yeah, exactly. There's some good videos around, there's some great advice, and then there's some not so good advice. But we found there was two really big problems with the advice out there. The first is that a lot of it's manipulative, frankly. It's game playing, it's trying to create this desire using these weird games. And if the guy catches on to you doing that, which he will, it makes you seem incredibly low value and he's not gonna chase you at all.
Yeah, and it doesn't feel authentic, it's not you, it doesn't feel good to use those strategies. And the other challenge is, let's say you use good strategies, they're usually built for a short-term solution, which means after you are now in a relationship, so you've been dating a few months and you say, hey, I want to commit to you, you want to commit to me, let's be together. Now those strategies no longer work for creating a tension in the relationship and keeping him chasing you. So what is it that actually creates that chase in a man, creates that feeling of being drawn to you long term?
Exactly, because you're living with him. So how do you keep a guy chasing when you're stuck together? It's really important to know that you're married or you're in the same space all the time, right?
Yeah.
What is chasing really? Understand that human psychology, if you're wanting a guy to chase you, is about desire. And when you're wanting a guy to chase you, what you're really doing, even if you apply those short-term good tactics, what you're actually doing is you're creating these waves of desire. Right? So it's like he goes on a great date with you, gets a great experience, and then you have healthy priorities. So he gets this space and he misses it. And then he gets another great experience with you, and then he has another bit more space to appreciate it. But those troughs aren't so easy to make when you're literally in the same place all the time. This man sitting next to me has been married for eight years. He's in a beautiful, happy relationship. He's got 3 amazing kids, and his wife is doing things that are making you want to chase her every single day.
Yeah.
Despite all of that. So what's the secret? What does she do, and what can the high value women out there do to create this permanent chasing bond?
Yeah, I wanted to pull the curtain back on this a little bit and share with you what my wife does, and what also we see this as a pattern. Amazing high value women who are in long-term relationships know how to do this. And remember what Mark was saying about the waves of desire, right? The top of the desire is the payoff, is the reward. Well, the trough of that desire is anticipation, okay? And anticipation is huge in terms of our human experience in desire. Think about this. When are kids actually happier? Christmas morning, before they've opened their presents, or Christmas afternoon? I think we've all been at a Christmas party, the kids are crying and they're like, because they've already opened their presents. They haven't anticipated. The presents are the payoff, and now they're headed down. Think about going on vacation for a moment. When are we happier? Going on vacation or coming home from vacation? Vacation is the payoff. It's that anticipation of the anticipation of the payoff, having some sort of call to action, call to adventure that ignites that desire. So the trough in what we're talking about right here is challenge. Challenge your man. Challenge your man to rise up. Challenge your man to provide for you. Challenge your man to help make you happy. Now, if this is a foreign concept for you, I've actually created a free guide for you to help you know exactly what to say to challenge him, not in a way that's insulting or critical or in a way that pushes him away.
Or anything like
or needy or demanding, but in a way that actually invokes his masculine energy, because men, we love to step up. We love to be challenged. So I'm going to link that up here in the video, also in the description. Click that link, a gift from me to you, and you can use it today when you read that. So challenging him is, you have an experience that you would love. You would love for him to take you out. You would love for him to make love to you. You would love for him to fix the hole in the wall. So when you challenge him in the right way, now he has this call to action. I'm going to deliver what my wife wants in this moment. And now he anticipates. What is he anticipating? He's not anticipating taking out the trash. He's not anticipating fixing the hole. What is he anticipating? What's the payoff at the top? Because here's the deal. The stronger the payoff and the bigger that challenge, that call to action, you're creating tension.
Kids on Christmas morning, right? Biggest payoff.
That's right. The bigger the tension in that, the stronger his desire for you. And so we're going to share with you right now how to create a triple A experience for a man. What is a triple A payoff for a man? And so, Mark, what's number one?
First A is affection. One of the biggest payoffs you can possibly give a man is your affection.
Absolutely.
So your touch, your love to him, a kiss on the cheek, incredible sex, that vulnerable connection where you accept him, whatever it is, that affection that he gets, it stretches that curve. And the bigger the gap between the challenge, whatever you want him to step up to, and the affection that he gets as a reward is a huge thing. Yeah, you might be in the same house, but how can I get her affection? How can I feel her affection? Massive payoff for a guy.
Well, he's anticipating that. Yeah. Absolutely. The second A in the triple A experience is appreciation. See, why are we doing these things? As men, one of our greatest needs, our greatest desires is to feel appreciated, is actually to know that we made an impact for you, to know that we are providing for you, to know that we are in part helping make you happy. And so a lot of times this step gets missed. We fix the hole in the wall. We take you to a great dinner. We make love to you. All of that, the way that you can actually help him ignite that payoff is through verbal appreciation. Letting him know, babe, you did an amazing job. Thank you. Babe, that was awesome. Thank you so much. Actually, verbally appreciating him is the core of what helps us feel that appreciation. And a great line that you can use is, babe, thank you so much for doing that. I appreciate you. Actually, speaking the words triggers us as a man.
Yeah, it creates this huge gap. And if you don't do that, he just gets this, and then it kind of bounces along, and he doesn't have the motivation to chase because it's a flat line, right?
Exactly. There's no payoff. Took out the garbage. Thanks.
Whatever.
No payoff.
Don't care, right? Kills his inspiration to actually do it. And the third A is admiration. And when he gets to feel that stretch, like she's going to admire me if I do this. She's going to look up to me. And one of the best ways to do this, one of the little secrets, little hacks, is do it in front of others. Admire him in front of others, something he's done, something he's said.
In front of your friends, in front of your family. Dad.
Admire him in any way that you can, as much as you can, especially in front of others. And it creates this huge high for him that he's going to continue to chase. You can be living in the same place, married long term, and he's still going to be chasing this high of admiration that he can get from you.
Now, we know this isn't just stuff you should do. We know that men need to be doing this as well. Men need to be appreciating you. Men need to be admiring you. Men need to be showing you affection as well. And so they have their side to do, but this channel is all focused on empowering you, serving you, helping you increase love in your life one heart at a time to massive levels. So now you know the secret to that long-term desire, that long-term chase, is actually to give him challenges, create that anticipation, and a massive payoff. And you do that, that's something that you can do when you're living together, that's something you can do when you're married, and that's something that will stretch out not just days, not just weeks, not just months, but years and decades. And so as you do that, you create that connection strong and that desire in him. He will be chasing you forever. So my question for you is, what have you found are the things that make a man chase you? And not just short term, but actually long term. I would love to hear from you because you are the expert in this as well. Go ahead and post a comment below. Thank you so much for watching this special video that we created for you. We're looking forward to seeing you soon. All right, so I'm going to challenge you right now.
I'm going.
Give you a challenge. Okay, give me your best Mark Rosenfield opening, but in an American English accent.
Okay. What's up, y'all? It's Mark Rosenfield here from Memphis, Tennessee, and I'm gonna be telling how to make a guy miss you. We're gonna be talking about all the secrets of what men want and how to create everlasting desire in a man.
Man, we throw a cowboy hat on you. Your sexiness factor just went up 3 notches here. Oh my gosh.
All right, come on, Mr. Matt. Aussie accent, your best Crocodile Dundee. Intro.
All right. Good day, ladies. This is Matt Boggs coming at you with 3 secrets for how to make a man miss you. And crikey, this is amazing, amazing information. Tune in next week when we're talking about kangaroo sex and the secret to having him bounce all over your bedroom. Bounce all over your bedroom, mate.
Come on, mate. There's no kangaroos here. Where they come from, eh?
That's bad. That's really bad. I just want to take a moment and thank this man right here, Mark Rosenfield. You probably already know him, but if you don't know him, absolutely check out his channel. Either way, check out his channel, subscribe to his channel. This man is brilliant. He's got amazing, deep advice. I absolutely admire and respect the work that you do in the world, man. And thank you for making this collaboration happen. This man flew halfway around the world for these collaborations, and I appreciate you.
Thank you, bro. It's been an absolute pleasure. Thank you for allowing me to serve you.
We'll post a link in the description below. Make sure to subscribe and check out his stuff, and we will see you soon.